Gondor soap production line. The mixing effect is sufficient and uniform. Stir thoroughly. Efficient continuous conveying. Adoption of high-efficiency motors. Optimizing soap particle structure. The drum is made of high-quality alloy. Grinding fineness reaches 3.8 microns. Support for customized soap bars. High-pressure forming is smooth and delicate. Accurate control cutting error 小于等于正负1克. Automatic control to improve production capacity. Exquisite and clear printing. High precision cutting. Application display. Technology. Efficiency.